It is incredible how a little time and dedication. Why do they say the past is a foreign country? Maybe it is because they do things differently there, and we are just visitors looking at the remnants of what used to be. Relationship too draining and felt like it was always being pulled in different directions. Why did the mechanic break up with his girlfriend?
Yeah.
Because he just couldn't find the right chemistry to keep things moving forward in the right direction. Why did the mechanic break up with his girlfriend?
I have no idea why.
Because he felt like he was constantly being taken for a ride. Why did the car mechanic get promoted?
Yeah.
Because he was truly geared up for success and always knew how to handle the pressure in any situation.
Keep the pressure steady on that curve. Got it. The rust is coming off clean on this side. Yeah. We will have this frame prepped in no time.
Why did the car owner take his vehicle to the paint shop early in the morning? Because he wanted to make sure his ride would have a really shining start to the day.
Why did the car owner go to the mechanic for a date?
Because he wanted to see if they could hit it off and find some spark.
Why did the car go to school?
Because it wanted to become a smart car. Why did the car go to the doctor? Because it was feeling exhausted and needed a quick tune-up to get back on the road again. Why did the leather seat go to school? Because it wanted to be a little more refined and learn how to handle the pressure of the road. Precision in every detail defines this machine. From the hand-stitched leather to the refined carbon fiber, we settle for nothing less than perfection in our restoration process.
This really is an incredible view to take in. It definitely is. You cannot beat the feeling of being out here watching the sun go down.
It is incredible how a little time and dedication can turn a forgotten relic into something that truly shines like a piece of art on the road.